How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a product review, or a unboxing I should say, of the Beard Struggle stuff that I ordered recently. It's got a nice little message there, some little logo there. But yeah, we're going to be doing a product review slash unboxing of that, so hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so we're going to be unboxing this today. Obviously I've got the package here. We'll open this up. Obviously I'm going to show you the front of the package because it's got my details on it. Let's get this open. Let's see what we got inside. So what I ordered was a little starter pack sort of thing. So it comes with a few different bits to get you started. What's this? Your order was packed with Ast by Raz. I hope you can see that. There's that. So get that open. See what we have inside. Right. Got another sticker. Right, so let's start with looking at this. So with this you get basically a thing saying all of the different products that they do, which I did show in one of my last videos. Yeah, basically gives you a product list of all the things that they sell. Like I said, I'm looking to get this next, the beard straightener or heated beard brush. I wouldn't mind getting the Voyager Dop kit. It's like I think it's just a travel bag. Don't actually think it comes with anything in it. But yeah, they've got all sorts, combs, trimming kits, beard accessories, and then yeah, a wide variety of things. And obviously, so for each of these you'll have a different scent as well. The one that I've gone with is Viking Honor, I believe. But yeah, we'll start with the beard balm first. See what this looks like. Yeah, so we have the Gentleman's Beard Balm scent Viking Honor. It's got the logo on top there. We'll open this up and have a look. Changing the world one beard at a time. Let's have a little smell of it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that smells good. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the Gentleman's Beard Balm. You take just a little bit. I won't do any now because it's quite oily. Yeah, you just take a little bit and rub it through your beard, and makes your beard smell nice. And you can sort of makes the hairs softer and more pliable as well, which I've found. Got the FU COVID-19 wristband, which I've already got one anyway. Yeah, it's got the Beard Struggle logo there and the name. Obviously you get a FU Cancer sticker, which I've already got in my drum kit, which you've seen me put on there. And then what's this? This is Radiance Beard Wash. Let's have a smell of this. Okay, so we're back. We have the Viking Honor Radiance Beard Wash. So I'm pretty sure wash your beard 2 to 3 times a week with our beard wash, followed by our conditioner for best results. Let's have a smell of that. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. It smells like a minty kind of flavour. Scent. Don't drink it. Yeah, so that's that, and then we've got the beard oil here, I believe, which I have had beard oil before. I've never really used it, but I'm looking to start using it. So this is the Viking Honor Night Liquid Elixir. So you put this on at night, I believe, before you go to sleep. Apply a small amount, 6 to 8 drops, under your beard to the skin. Then work the oil through your beard. Yeah, so I'm guessing you put this on at night. I think they've all got the same scent, whether they smell the same or not. Yeah, it's all a very similar scent. It's very nice actually, it smells very good. Makes your beard smell nice. So yeah, these are the products that we've got. We've got the beard oil, beard balm, and the shampoo stuff, obviously with the other bits as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll whenever I get some more stuff from them, I'll make sure to unbox it on the channel and show a review of it. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a short little video showing what I got, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. So I will be back today because I'm going to film a gaming video directly after I film this. So I'll probably film this, edit it and upload it because it shouldn't take too long. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.